Limitations on Congress to enact penal laws. 1. No ex post facto law shall be enacted. Ex post facto law is a law that makes criminal an act done before the passage of the law and which was innocent when done, and punishes such an act. It may also be defined as a law which aggravates a crime, or makes it greater than it was, when committed. 2. No bill of attainder shall be passed. A bill of attainder is a law which inflicts punishment without trial. 3. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty or property without due process of law. The law must be fair and reasonable, and the accused must be given the opportunity to be heard and be accorded the rights to which he is entitled. 4. Excessive fines shall not be imposed, nor cruel or unusual punishment.